In this presentation, we will provide information about the introduction to digital transformation. In this content, we will explore the historical development of the Industrial Revolution and the emergence of the concept of Industry 4.0. Additionally, we will examine the core technologies used in Industry 4.0 and the impact of digital transformation on businesses, business processes, and employees. We will evaluate the differences between classic and digital factories during the transformation process and discuss successful examples of. The first stage of the Industrial Revolution marks the transition from an agricultural society to an industrial one through the integration of steam power into production. The establishment of factories, expansion of railway networks, and emergence of new occupations accelerated economic growth and radically changed social structures. This transformation is considered not only a technological but also a social revolution. The digital transformation we are experiencing today is built on the opportunities and foundations laid by this initial revolution. In the second stage of the Industrial Revolution, the integration of electricity, chemistry, and petroleum into production processes made mass production possible. This development significantly increased production capacity and paved the way for labor specialization. With the introduction of assembly lines in factories, production speed increased while costs decreased. During this period, industrialization became more widespread and new job fields emerged. Additionally, major transformations occurred in labor structures. This stage laid the groundwork for the era of digitalization. The third stage of the Industrial Revolution began with the integration of computer technologies and microprocessors into production processes. This period, influenced by digitalization and automation, radically changed the ways of doing business. More production became possible with fewer resources, resulting in significant productivity gains. At the same time, globalization accelerated, and production processes became more interconnected and integrated worldwide. Digitalizing business processes transformed decision-making and management mechanisms, creating a new business culture. These developments opened the door to a comprehensive transformation in the business world. Industry 4.0 refers to the integration of physical production processes with digital systems to create smarter, more connected, and autonomous operations. This transformation has made production processes more flexible, faster, and adaptable. Instant access to data speeds up decision-making, and automation enables more efficient business management. Industry 4.0 is not only a technological advancement but also a profound change in work practices and organizational structures. This change is one of the most fundamental ways to increase competitiveness and prepare for the future. With Industry 2.0, we shifted our production to regions with cheap labor to improve efficiency. This strategy provided cost advantages in the short term, but also posed sustainability challenges in the long term. Although we expanded production areas, we did not focus on transforming our way of doing business. This led us to a limited understanding of productivity. Spatial expansion alone was not enough to shape the future. At our current point, we need to go beyond this narrow perspective and produce innovative and fundamental solutions. To be part of the future competition, we must not only grow but also transform. Industry 4.0 represents a new era in the production world where digitalization and smart systems converge. One of the most striking developments offered by Industry 4.0 is machine-to-machine communication. Thanks to this, production processes can not only be monitored but also managed in real time. Data collected from machines is analyzed to optimize processes, increasing efficiency and reducing waste. Flexible production systems can respond quickly to changing demands, while automated quality control mechanisms continuously monitor product quality, minimizing errors. As a result, production becomes smarter, faster, and more customer-focused. As Industry 4.0 initiates a major transformation in the production world, the technologies that form its foundation can be examined under four main categories. The first is communication technologies that enable connectivity between machines and devices. These systems allow real-time monitoring and rapid intervention when necessary. Second is big data analytics, which processes collected data to optimize production processes. The third is flexible production systems that quickly adapt to demand changes, increasing efficiency and reducing stock costs. Lastly, automatic quality control technologies constantly monitor product quality to prevent errors before they occur. These four areas form the cornerstone of the transformation offered by Industry 4.0. Basic Industry 4.0 technologies lie at the heart of digital transformation in production. First, the Internet of Things (IoT) connects machines, sensors, and devices, enabling real-time data collection and monitoring. This allows for early fault detection and more effective management of production lines. Next comes big data and data analytics, which process massive data sets from production to generate meaningful insights. These insights support accurate and rapid decision-making. Lastly, artificial intelligence and machine learning systems come into play. These technologies enable machines to make decisions independently by learning from past data. They offer high efficiency and cost advantages, especially in areas such as quality control, fault prediction, and demand planning. These three core technologies are the building blocks of Industry 4.0's transformative power in production. Industry 4.0's basic technologies have the potential to revolutionize production processes. First, cyber-physical systems create a strong integration between physical machines and digital software. This makes production lines more flexible and automated while allowing the simulation of physical events in digital environments. Second, cloud computing enables internet-based access to data, scales systems efficiently, reduces costs, and facilitates real-time collaboration and data sharing. Lastly, autonomous robots are intelligent machines capable of performing tasks without human intervention. When used in areas such as production, assembly, and logistics, they increase efficiency and minimize human error. These core technologies reveal the powerful opportunities offered by Industry 4.0. Let's talk about augmented reality (AR) and virtual reality (VR) technologies. Augmented reality enriches the real world with virtual information, while virtual reality offers a fully digital experience. These technologies reduce errors and accelerate learning, especially in maintenance, training, and assembly processes. Next, let's look at another important technology, 3D printing. With additive manufacturing, physical parts can be produced. It is an excellent tool for prototyping and personalized production, and also increases flexibility by reducing stock costs. Lastly, I would like to touch on cybersecurity. Protecting all digital systems secures production processes. Cybersecurity is crucial for safe data sharing and uninterrupted production. Digital transformation provides numerous benefits to businesses. Firstly, increased productivity allows for faster production, reduced waste, and lower energy consumption, making operations more effective. Flexibility and speed are also significant advantages. Production processes can be changed and customized quickly, enabling rapid responses to market changes. Finally, automation and energy efficiency enable more efficient resource use, reducing costs. These benefits clearly demonstrate how critical digital transformation is for businesses. Digital transformation has profound effects on business processes. Firstly, the digitalization of processes replaces traditional methods with digital platforms, strengthening integration between systems. This speeds up information flow and enhances transparency and traceability through real-time, centralized systems instead of hard copy forms and manual tracking. Secondly, the widespread use of automation allows repetitive tasks to be performed by software or hardware-based systems. This minimizes human error, enhances quality, and boosts operational efficiency. Employees can focus on higher-value tasks. Lastly, data-driven decision-making becomes increasingly important. Decisions based on real-time data and analysis lead to more strategic and effective outcomes than intuitive approaches. With business intelligence systems, managers can make informed decisions using instant reports and trend analyses. Digital transformation offers great opportunities in efficiency, flexibility, and strategic thinking by reshaping business processes. Acquiring new competencies and digital skills is becoming essential. The digital transformation process requires not only the development of existing skills but also the acquisition of new ones. For example, new job roles such as data analyst and AI specialist are emerging. This requires employees to have fundamental knowledge and skills to use digital tools effectively. Moreover, organizations must invest in training to improve their employees' digital literacy. These trainings will help employees use digital tools more efficiently. Digital transformation is a process that transforms not only technology but also the competencies of employees. While automation replaces labor in many sectors, it allows employees to focus on more strategic and creative tasks. This is actually a significant opportunity. Automation takes over low-value and repetitive tasks, enabling employees to engage in more creative and high-value activities. For instance, while robots handle repetitive tasks on the production line, employees can focus on higher-level tasks such as quality control or design. Furthermore, automation not only speeds up processes but also allows employees to dedicate more time to innovation, contributing to a more creative work environment. Digital transformation enables employees to work independently of physical offices, offering significant advantages in terms of work-life balance. Remote working opportunities made possible by digital tools allow for efficient work outside the office. This is especially beneficial for geographically distant employees. Moreover, flexible working hours enabled by digitalization allow employees to manage their time more effectively. Remote work also allows employees to spend more time with their families and on non-work activities, supporting work-life balance. This change not only boosts productivity but also improves employees' quality of life. In classic factories, production processes largely depend on manual labor. Traditional machines usually have fixed and limited functionality, leading to a lack of flexibility in production. Additionally, data collection is often done on paper, requiring manual intervention for information flow. Labor mainly involves physical work, with productivity and speed depending on human effort. Maintenance and repairs are also carried out manually, making it difficult to quickly resolve issues. This traditional structure presents various challenges. Digital factories are structures where the latest technology is deeply integrated, making production processes faster, more efficient, and more flexible. Thanks to technologies like IoT, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, production processes are optimized. Data is collected and processed in real time, enabling businesses to make faster and more accurate decisions. Centralized data management allows for simultaneous information flow across all points. Another key feature is the use of cloud-based systems, which enable teams to collaborate without being physically together. With digital dashboards, production processes can be monitored remotely, and managers can access information at any time. Additionally, IoT-based monitoring and predictive maintenance continuously track machine conditions and detect faults in advance. This minimizes disruptions in the production line and enhances efficiency. These features of digital factories offer significant potential for competitive advantage in the business world. Let's start with Siemens digital twin technology. At the Amberg factory in Germany, every physical product has a digital counterpart. This has reduced the production error rate to below 1% and optimized the production process with real-time data monitoring. Efficiency is enhanced through quality, speed, and flexibility. Amazon is another great example of digital transformation in logistics. With the help of Kiva robots, the time to locate items in the warehouse is reduced by 40%, and the use of AI and robotics accelerates the order packaging process. Predictive order management also helps prevent overstocking. Tesla produces continuously evolving vehicles through software updates. Without hardware changes, vehicles are improved through updates. These updates continually enhance AI-supported autonomous driving algorithms, ensuring the best possible driving experience. These examples show that digital transformation is not limited to technology but also fundamentally changes the way we do business. In the digital future, business processes will undergo a major transformation. AI will take over routine decisions even at management levels, allowing people to focus more on strategy and creativity. Production systems will provide continuous connectivity among all machines, people, and software, enabling real-time optimization and flexible production. In addition, digital sustainability will allow real-time tracking of carbon footprints, making factories more environmentally friendly. With individualized production, customer demands will be met based on data, shifting the focus from mass production to smart customization. Lastly, as borders disappear, virtual factories and remote production will increase, and global workforce management will become more common. These transformations will not only boost efficiency but also fundamentally change how we work. Thank you for attending our training. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.